you fine bitch. So we native Chinese speakers are quite obsessed with two-syllable words. That's the reason why we like to add 子 after a lot of single-syllable nouns such as 桌子、椅子、车子、杯子、孩子, blah blah blah. But the thing is, it doesn't always work. One of my students went to buy a watch. His Chinese is actually pretty good. He definitely knew that watch is 手表, or sometimes just 表 in Chinese. However, on that day, he didn't want to sound like an ordinary foreigner who can speak Chinese. He wanted to sound more like a native speaker. So he went, 你这个表子好漂亮，多少钱? The air went completely silent. No one in the room could believe that what he just said to the shop owner. Instead of saying, this watch of yours is so beautiful, how much is it? He actually said, you fine bitch, how much are you? And the worst part, the shop owner was a decent old lady. God knows how awkward it was.